Are you struggling to make your website shine in search engine results? Well, it's time to master your site's structure. All right, let's dive into optimizing your site structure for on-page SEO. First off, think of your website like a library. If books are just scattered everywhere, it's a nightmare to find anything, right? Similarly, a well-organized site helps search engines and visitors navigate easily. Start with a logical hierarchy. Make sure your main categories are clear, and subcategories are logically placed under these. This isn't just good for SEO, it makes for a better user experience too. Next up, streamline your URL structure. Keep URLs short, sweet, and descriptive. Avoid long strings of numbers or characters. This makes them easy to remember and boosts your SEO because search engines love simplicity. Don't forget to link internally. This is like giving visitors a map to more treasures on your website. Plus, it boosts your page's authority and helps search engines crawl your site more effectively. And hey, if all of this sounds a bit daunting, Authority Solutions has got your back. They specialize in crafting the perfect SEO strategy that includes fine-tuning your site's structure. Now, if you found these tips helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more SEO secrets. Let's optimize and conquer.